Now I am going to teach 9th standard physics lesson number 3, Pascal's law. French scientist Blaise Pascal discovered Pascal law. The Pascal law can be explained with a simple experiment. Take a glass vessel. It is made up of fine holes around it. Inside the glass vessel filled by the water. Then the glass vessel open end fixed the piston. Push the piston downward, that is force acting on the piston downward. The piston pushes downward. So the piston exerts pressure on water. Due to the pressure, the water comes out through the fine holes inside the. Due to the pressure, the water comes out, rushes out through the holes in glass container at the same pressure. So here pressure is transmitted equally in all directions of liquid. So Pascal law states that external pressure is applied on a incompressible liquid is transmitted uniformly throughout the liquid. This is known as Pascal law. With help of Pascal law, hydraulic press. So hydraulic press is an instrument is used to compress the heavy bundles of cottons or cloth to obtain the less space. Hydraulic press is used to lift the heavy load. The hydraulic press works on the basics of Pascal law. It consists of two cylinders. It has different area of cross section A1, A2. The two cylinder is fitted with a piston of area small a at a smaller open end. Piston capital A area capital A is fitted on the larger open end. The lifted weight to be placed on the piston area A at larger end. Now force F1 is applied on the piston at smaller end. The piston pushes the water downward. So the piston exerts pressure on water. Due to the pressure, the water pushes the piston upward direction at larger end. So due to the pressure, the load moves in upward direction. So pressure on piston of small area P equal to F1 by A1. Pressure on piston of large area A will be same as that of small piston. So P equal to F2 by A2. So comparing equation both, F1 by A1 equal to F2 by A2. So finally we obtained F2 is equal to A2 by A1 into F1. In this equation, area of cross section A2 by A1 is greater than 1. The force F2 is act on the larger piston is greater than that of force act on the smaller friction. Smaller force F1 act on the small piston at a small end.